Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Ashy and today I want to show you how to make a volume for your hair or make a wavy your hair with a different wrapping the roller on your hair. This is my helper, my mannequin, and now I'm going to show you on the hair 3 different rolling the hair with a hair roller. First we need a tail comb, some roller in different sizes, as you see, depend on the how big and or tight or loose you want your perm. We need some end wrap, some holding clip, some holding the hair clip, and your brush. Okay, for the people who looking for the more volume on the top, on the roots, I want to show you how you can achieve for this purpose. Section the hair horizontally, put some spray to hold the hair more manageable. This is 90 degree, this is vertically. Put 45 degree beyond the base. Put the end wrap, roll the hair. When you finish the roll, you see this roller sits exactly on the base. This way, after you open your roller, it makes a more volume on the head, and the volume starts from the roots. The second one also give a volume on the roots, but the difference with the previous one is give a less volume plus has a less tension and stress on the hair. This way you hold the hair just horizontally 90 degree, put the end wrap, roll the hair, and you see when you finish the rolling it comes to half of the base that you rolled. This is exactly sit on the place that you rolled it. This one is almost half, so half of the hair is out of the base. The third one, for the people who doesn't want any volume on the roots and just need some wave on the tips, they are not looking for any volume, you can hold the hair This is 90 degree from the position of the head. This is 45 below the base. This is 90, this is 45 below. The first one was beyond, this is below. Again, you put the end wrap. Roll the hair. And as you see, here was the base, but your roller sitting off the base. This way, when you open, you're gonna get lots of volume on top of your roots, the roots. This one also you're gonna get a volume, but less than the first one, but is less tension the hair. This one you're not gonna get any volume on the scalp, just a wave, and change the wave on the roots. Hope this video was so helpful for you. When you rolling your hair, consider for what purpose you want to do. So you can use these 3 kind of on base, half base, and off base. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye.